Hello friends, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today I am going to start the next series in nutrition plants from class 7 science NCERT books, and now I am going to discuss about pitcher plant. You know about in my last videos already we have uploaded about the different types of different modes of nutrition, and here I am going to discuss about pitcher plant. Why this is special? Here why special make a video for pitcher plant? Why this is so special? Because the plant follows both the nutrition. One is autotrophic mode of nutrition and the next one is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. It is a plant, pitcher plant is a plant, it has chlorophyll, it makes its own food, but somehow for its requirement of nitrogen it is known as partially heterotrophic. This plant is known as partially heterotrophic. Partially heterotrophic. Pitcher plant is a green plant. It also follows autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition means it makes its own food by using sunlight, carbon dioxide. It makes its own food, but somehow it needs nitrogen, because you know each living organisms has its different style of requirement. Suppose I have my eyesight problem, so that's why I require more vitamin A for my better eyesight. Someone has skin problem or hair problem, so he or she needs vitamin C for healthy skin, for healthy hair. So that's why this plant needs nitrogen. For fulfilling its nitrogen requirement, it is known as partially heterotrophic, and you know very well what is the meaning of heterotrophic mode of nutrition. What is heterotrophs? Heterotrophs means the living organisms which depend upon other animals, other living organisms for fulfilling its nutrition. Means this pitcher plant depends upon other. This other living organism is small insects. It depends upon small insects. It depends upon small insects to fulfilling its nitrogen requirement. That's why this plant is partially heterotrophic plant. Once again I repeat it, pitcher plant is a green plant. It has chlorophyll, it makes its own food, but for its nitrogen requirement it takes small insects for fulfilling its nutrition. So that's why it is partially heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Then come to its mechanism. How does a pitcher plant take the insects and fulfill its nutrition? This is the mode of nutrition follows by the pitcher plant, and then comes to the mechanism. Mechanism pitcher plant. Pitcher means just like a pot, just like a jug. Pitcher plant has some jug-like structure or pitcher-like structure. You can say pitcher-like structure, which is the modified leaf of this pitcher plant. Means after some time, a leaf modified into a shape of jug or pitcher, and the apex of the lid convert into its lid, means its cover. Pitcher and its cover. Pitcher is the modified leaf and the apex becomes lid of this pitcher. When an insect lands on this pitcher, the lids automatically close the pitcher. Means lid is the cover of this pitcher which can open or close. And there are some small hair inside the pitcher which directed downwards. When some insects lands on this pitcher plant, lands on this pitcher, then the lid automatically closed, and this insects finally captured by the pitcher and the lid. It is captured. The insect is captured and also entangled with the hair inside the pitcher. The hair present inside the pitcher, which is directed downwards, this hair capture this hair, entangle these insects, and finally the pitcher secretes some digestive juice to digest this insects, the trapped insect, and finally it fulfills its nutrition. Once again I repeat it, pitcher plant has some structure like jug or pitcher. This is the modified leaf of the pitcher plant, and the lid is the apex of the leaves. When an insect lands on the pitcher, the lid automatically closes down. The lid closes down and the hair present inside the pitcher directed downwards entangle the insects, and the pitcher then secretes the digestive juice and digests the trapped insect and finally fulfills nitrogen requirement. So that's why this is a partial heterotrophic plant. Pitcher plant, once again I repeat it, pitcher plant is a green plant. It makes its own food but for its nitrogen requirement, because in our atmosphere 70-80% nitrogen available, plenty of nitrogen available in our atmosphere, but a plant cannot take this nitrogen directly from this free atmosphere. Even leguminous plant, you will study it later about leguminous plants, about rhizobium bacteria, nitrogen cycle, nitrogen fixers, you will study it later. But here this pitcher plant has a special funda that it takes nitrogen from small insects by capturing through its pitcher. Pitcher has a jug-like structure, pitcher-like structure having lid, and then when an insect lands on this pitcher, it closes down and then finally secretes digestive juice and finally take the nitrogen from the insects. So this is all about pitcher plant and its mechanism. How does a pitcher plant capture the insects and fulfill its nitrogen requirement? Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment on my video, press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.